If you want to remove SIM card from Samsung Galaxy S26, then in that case we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we have our SIM tray over here. Now, in order to, of course, get our SIM cards, we will have to eject the SIM tray, and we're gonna use the eject tool that you can find inside the box. We're gonna put it into this hole over here where we have the SIM tray. There we go. And then once the eject tool is inside, you want to apply a bit of pressure and push it into the phone to make the SIM tray pop out, at least slightly. Then you can use your fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. And there we go. Now, in order to remove the SIM tray, you can usually just slightly push from one side or try to gently bend or something like that the SIM tray, and then the one of these cards should pop out. If you have just one SIM, then you might be able to actually use these holes that we have on one side, so you can, for example, poke it from one of these sides to easily remove the SIM card from the SIM tray. And of course, you don't want to apply too much pressure in case you have to bend it because you have two SIMs or something like that, simply because you don't want to really break the SIM tray. But once you remove your SIM cards, then you should be able to slide it back into the phone, just like that with your finger, push it all the way in, and make sure that it doesn't stick out. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.